Yay, we good? Alright, I'm back. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, because I kind of forgot about the channel, but here I am. So at first, I was planning on making a build video about this from start to finish, but then I kind of got a little too anxious because the parts were sitting right there, and I just couldn't help myself. The inner geek was just, I just want to plug something in. So I built it in like, I think 1 o'clock, and I just can't help myself. But then I realized one of the RAM inside was faulty because Amazon, I think, damaged it during shipping. So I gotta change it anyway, so I might as well make a video about it. Inside here, I have a B450 ASRock Pro 4F as the motherboard. It's compatible with most of the 3000 series, and I don't have to update the BIOS, which is very good. And it's got 2 PCIEs. It's a very basic MATX budget board. Why isn't this opening? The graphics card, I bought a EVGA 1060 3GB version from a friend of mine who happens to have one laying around for like a really good deal. It's 20 bucks, so thank you very much. You know who you are. And save this for you pervs out there. For the CPU, I have an AMD Ryzen 3 3100. Got this from Newegg for like, I think $110. For the power supply, I'm running a Thermaltake Smart 500 watt one. I think it was like $40 when I got it, and it was a really good deal. And I got it from Amazon. So yeah, no issue with that either. So it's a budget PC. The whole thing, including the monitor, which I'll show later, only cost me like about $580 tax and shipping. First RAM. Oh yeah, speaking of RAMs, for the RAMs I'm using T-Force Vulcan DDR4 3200 8GB modules, 2 sticks, 16 gigs in total. Second RAM. For the storage, I have with me, oh my god, I can't open this light. Moving along for the storage, I have with me a Seagate Barracuda 1TB drive. I can't pull it out, but it's in there. I think 7200 RPM drive. I also have a M.2 WD Blue solid state, 250 gigs. Get the other stick. There we go. Hopefully it works. Please, for the love of God, it better work. And there is our RAM installation. It should work perfectly right now, but I'm going to show you my cable management at the back. This is actually my first ever computer build. On the back, I zip tied all the power cables and stored away anything that's not needed. Tuck it all in neatly, and I'm going to plug the hard drive. The hard drive tray just slides out like that. Barracuda 1TB. That's a very satisfying sound. Moving on to the case, I have a DIY PC, I think F2. It was just an absolute steal, especially because it comes with 2 fans, one at the front and one at the back. The case itself is a micro ATX. It's got one exhaust at the top, one at the front. The whole back panel is perforated, and on the bottom we have a removable filter for the power supply exhaust. Alright, so I just changed the RAM and I forgot to plug in the 24 pin. Oh! Make sure it's all plugged in, nice and tight, and the clip is actually clipped on. Alright, so now I think we're actually fully plugged in, and I think the camera is tilted, so I can fix that too. I'll bring out the monitor and we'll boot it up. And I forgot my keyboard. Got my fake homemade Blackwood keyboard. Check it out how to make it another video. I'm gonna run a few Cinebench tests and play the few games that I want to show you how this thing runs. Alright, and seems to have finished. We come out at a whopping 2,279, which I guess isn't that bad. I don't really know. But I've been able to play some Minecraft on it, as well as some Roblox. This machine, it wasn't really designed for gaming, and I don't play much game anyways. It's mostly used for Fusion and Inventor, as well as light editing work. And also because I hate to just stare at a laptop screen. And also for the Wi-Fi, I didn't get a Wi-Fi card. Instead, I just got a USB TP-Link dongle on it. This isn't gonna be here anyways. I'm gonna be putting an extra router where there's an Ethernet cable. And as you can see, single player made the world a long time ago, and we're currently at, there we go, 75 FPS, which frankly isn't that bad. Everything's on max settings with 21 chunks and unlimited. So yeah, honestly, this is good enough for me. And as to web browsing, the 16 gig RAM seems to be handling it very well. I can watch even 8K screens with the graphics card. And as for YouTube, by the way, check out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Very cool videos. I think I'll be having a lot of uploads very soon. Anyways, as for YouTube, and since I didn't have an Ethernet cable connection down there, my Wi-Fi dongle could not handle it. So here's 8K again, just to prove it to you. Boom. Boom, it up to 8K. There. 56 degrees, 36% utilization, as well as 6% CPU utilization. No problem skipping around. Yeah, we ballin'. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little different from usual, but I have to get back to uploading again. And I do have a lot of videos planned. I think 3 that are about to be uploaded very soon within the month. And oh yeah, for you pervs out there, I saved this for you guys. And the bottom one. So yeah, check out my channel, subscribe if you like, leave a like, comment, what else did I do? Share with your people and friends, helps me out a lot, and hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time, very soon this time, I promise. Bye bye. Oh, and all the hardware, I'll put it in the link in the description. Bye bye.